good morning. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my videos, guys, consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. Guys, today I'm going to make some fresh veggie eggs and I want to share it with you. Alright guys, let's start, guys. I'm going to use, alright, if you're like me and love vegetable, you're gonna absolutely love this. Very simple, very easy. Just you're gonna need some eggs. You can use any butter. I choose the long leaf because I absolutely love long leaf butter. I'm going to use just some regular fresh season. You can use any season. I just choose to use the tomato, onion, and so on. You're gonna use a pinch of salt, and you're gonna need some black pepper. All right. You're gonna throw some black pepper. Pinch of black pepper, salt for taste. You're gonna put some milk, a little pinch of milk. You can see. I'm gonna start mixing it out. What do you mean? How you feel? So that's it. That's the long leaf butter, guys. Now, guys, you're gonna pour our eggs before you stir the eggs, okay? So now we can stir it. Eating time. Eating time, guys. Eating time. Guys, if you love vegetable like me, you're gonna enjoy this. If you love vegetable like me, trust me, guys. If you're a vegetable eater like me, you're gonna love this, guys. So too, I have some nice bacon that I make, guys, and I'm gonna eat with it. Nice bacon, guys. I'm gonna just put in the air fryer. So I'm not gonna eat with nothing, just some bacon. That's it. And no bread, nothing. Just some bacon. Okay? I don't need nothing to spoil my nice vegetable eggs. Just some bacon. So this is my breakfast, guys. Not me alone, guys. Don't judge me. Not me alone. This is not just for me alone. Alright? Guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment. All right, guys, if you watched on TikTok, please jump over to YouTube and support my channel. All right, guys, you can support me by donating, you can support me by comment, you can support me by share. There's so many ways that you can support me. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.